Hold your TRX with tension with your palms down as you step forward into the starting position. The further forward you step, the heavier the weight of your exercise will be. Before the row, activate your back, drive your shoulders down, and pick your chin and chest up. Inhale as you pull your shoulder blades back and bend your elbow, rotating your palms to face you. Hold that flex for just a moment, imagining that your shoulder blades are squeezing behind you. Exhale as you return to your starting position with control. Maintain flat feet, elevated hips, and strong legs throughout the movement. Repeat with good form for programmed reps. Our next exercise is a TRX Row. It's a powerful exercise for your back and your core. You could also use rings like you see around me, but we're gonna use the TRX. Let's get into it. The TRX is an amazing full body exercise that really works your back and arms. Notice how Katie's keeping her body in alignment with tension on the TRX the whole time, no slack. And then when she comes up, she's squeezing her shoulder blades behind her like this and holding good tension in the back the whole time. If she wanted to make this exercise a little harder on herself, she could step forward, and if she wanted to make it easy on herself, she could step backward. And I want you to notice one more thing. See how she's rotating her hands in as she comes up? If she wants even more lat activation, she can squeeze her pinkies down, and that will increase the activation in her lats. Super powerful movement. You're doing an amazing job, Katie.